Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making, a snack, a beer snack for later on. So it's a bit of an experiment. I actually was, long story short, saw a beautiful photo of someone's Ploughman's lunch on a forum that I'm a member of, and just thought, man, that looked good. But later on I've got some football to watch, and I don't want to be looking down, cutting up bits of whatever. So I thought, I wonder if you can get the flavours of a Ploughman's lunch into just an easy finger snack. So this is what I'm attempting to do. So let's see how we go. So the first thing I'm doing here is I've just got 50 grams of butter, and all I'm doing to that is melting it, and then I'm going to take it off the heat. Alrighty. Next phase of this experiment, I'm going to get the butter into a bowl here, the melted butter, and I guess my snack, I should explain, is going to be a little bit, I guess like a muesli bar, but it's not going to be muesli. It's going to be Ploughman's lunch flavoured, which is basically, I mean, the main flavours of a Ploughman's lunch, and if you look it up on Wikipedia, are basically just the cheddar cheese, pickled onions, and then everything else is just sort of, you know, like this, the graphics, the spoiler on the Ferrari, like it's just, yeah, the added extras. So anyway, we'll see how we go. I've got here 2 cups of rolled oats. Like I say, it's going to be a oats based snack, and I'm going to be baking this. Now, like I say, the main element of a Ploughman's lunch is cheddar cheese, and I've got here some vintage smoked cheddar cheese that's been imported from England, and that's about 120 grams. So we'll get that in. Now I've got here a couple of tablespoons of pickled onions, which go brilliantly with cheddar cheese. I reckon they do. And like I say, it's an essential part of that Ploughman's lunch flavour. Now what else goes good with cheddar cheese but fresh apple? So I've got about half an apple that I've just chopped up a bit. Now the only other flavourings I'm going to add to this is I'm going to add about a teaspoon of dried thyme. A little bit of salt, some cracked black pepper, and last but not least, I'm going to crack 1 egg into that. I guess that's, I mean, I'm using the egg to bind it together, but many Ploughman's lunch will serve it with some boiled eggs. And of course we want to thoroughly mix that up. So I'll get on with that, and I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so I've got that mix all thoroughly mixed up. My cheese, my oats, my apple, my onion, my herbs, my thyme, salt and pepper, and all I've done here is I've got a little square tray, and I'm just going to transfer that mix now, and as you can see, I've lined it with some baking paper, which I've greased. So I'm just going to, obviously spread it out onto this pan, squash it down a bit, and I've got the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius. That might not take up the whole pan here by the looks of it. Alrighty, so I've got my Ploughman lunch snack ready to go into the oven. I don't know if I already said it. Yeah, I think I did. It's preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to leave it in there for quite a while, probably, I don't know, half an hour or so, and I'll keep checking it, and when it's cooked I'll let you know exactly how long it took. Like I say, this is an experiment, so we'll see how we go. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I've just started slicing up my Ploughman lunch slice. It's looking pretty good. It ended up cooking for about 25 minutes on that 180 degrees, so yeah, let's just try a bit. Oh, yum. That's actually really nice. It's yeah, it's got that really nice sharp cheese taste, as you'd expect from that sharp cheese. Yeah, nice bit of sweetness from the apple. Bit of, so that's just a slight hint of the vinegar from the pickled onions. Yeah, very, very nice. Really, really happy with that. So yeah, I'm going to slice up the rest of that, and I don't think it'll keep too long, but I haven't got much of it anyway, so I don't think it's going to last too long once that footy starts tonight. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask you hit that subscribe button? But as always, if you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.